episode 9, we explored a 4-step process for planning a single unit. And after hearing that, it's natural to start wondering how to plan a year-long writing curriculum. So we'll address that now in episode 10. But before we dive in, a word of caution. As much as we love a plan, a pacing guide, a scope and sequence, I encourage you not to rush into this the first year of a focused writing initiative. A curriculum map isn't helpful if you don't have regular time set aside for writing, a clear understanding of effective mini-lesson instruction, or a grade-level sequence of essential skills to teach. These are the top 3 priorities. Think of this as when you'll teach, how you'll teach, and what you'll teach. Give yourself time to master these foundational pieces. Consequently, for the first year or more, stick with your existing curriculum map, your previous scope and sequence, or whatever framework has guided your writing instruction in the past. Be mindful of your own cognitive load and give yourself time to master these 3 priorities before adding more.